Nina.
I am Aditi, you know.
I am Neve.
They are my brother and sister. Okay.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button.
Naughty sister.
Naughty sister, yeah. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Yes. Your turn.
And share the video and make sure 10,000 likes so we can make one another video for you. And what's the challenge? Today's challenge is sound effect challenge.
And this video is in full English. You want to see in Hindi, so you can see. Just you have to subscribe the channel and bell icon.
Make sure. First you have to subscribe. Hey neighbor, you can't do this. First you have to subscribe. Then we start the challenge.
2 minutes is.
No, you have only 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8.
No, they do. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you.
You guys.
So what is? We telling you the challenge. So
I told you to tell me.
What is the rule, Aditi?
Rules are we have to don't show them
Show the shades.
We have to not to show the shades to our friends. Oh.
Yes.
You speak the rule.
Yes,
Brother and
excuse me.
sisters, dude.
Yes. What happened? My sister go to drink water. My brother. See all the chats.
Oh my goodness. Satya, no, she did. She did. Yeah.
I'm not he. You are. I'm she.
Yeah. She.
He.
She. Hmm.
It is ching. I can't do it. I love to eat. I love ching. But I will eat.
Oh. How much time
You will take.
to come? I think
Yeah.
she's returning in centuries.
Okay.
She is.
Come.
She got.
Hello. Welcome.
Welcome.
Back.
You're welcome.
I'm welcome. So you explain the rule
Yes, I explained.
first.
So first I will not do because I'm staying and she
I'm in 4th standard.
and she is the first. I'm in.
What? Just a minute.
And what happened? This is my brother. Naughty plus not. What you are looking?
Courage, yaar.
2 minutes, guys.
Hello, I'm back.
No.
Give it.
Hey, it's my turn. Yeah.
So what?
Next I will do. Give me this.
First I will dance. Then.
No.
No, you have to guess.
Boston.
I say it.
No, but I got 1 point, dude. Take it. Get.
First.
Okay. Now, Aditi, your turn to shuffle.
No.
Each. I took 2 chits.
Okay. Take.
You got 3 chits.
किसने बोला मैं
1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor. Hoop chicka, bakam bad throw. Sheena said first.
No.
I say first.
She. She got 1 point.
This is the second round.
In second round we have got 2 rounds. First round and first round 3 rounds total in this. First she
Oh my god.
will take 2 and I will take 2 and he will take 2.
No, only one.
Only 1. Yeah. Only 1, man.
There are 4 rounds. Okay? You have to talk.
Hello. You know.
Yeah.
Kaka.
Crow.
Aditi. Okay, I will shuffle. Yeah. Fight! I got 2 points. I got 2 points. No.
What,
No.
3 points?
He said fighting. It's a fight. Yes.
It's called fighting also. It's called
This fight. It's a fight. This is not cheating.
I didn't know.
3.
It's called fighting also.
It's okay.
You have 2 points. I have also 2.
Also 2 points.
No, you have 3. You say no.
Oh, sorry.
Helicopter!
Yeah.
2 points too. We all are 2 in the second round.
She has 3, no? 4! 4!
How 4?
I am the winner.
No. This is 7.
This is third round.
Slap!
Aditi.
I got 3 points.
Straight to Kailash.
No.
Yes.
No, sit down.
I got her.
And guys, I'm telling one more thing that we have to. She and he is a loser. We have to do a punishment.
Yes!
She and she. Shuffle.
When is your turn?
No. Aditi, your turn.
Yes, Aditi, it's your turn.
No. She's in a fight.
The last
no,
one.
No. Sorry. We have to talk. Hello, guys. She's very naughty.
Gosh! I said first.
3 points, too.
You have 4 points.
Yeah.
This is 4.
No.
So?
Same point.
I have got 3 points.
You 4 points. We have to talk. We sleep.
What?
Wow. Dog. Yes, 5 points.
But I have 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Aditi, don't do like mad girl.
I do
You are.
Shuffle.
Yeah.
Oh,
shuffle.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ouch.
My naughty brother and my naughty sister. She's
Oh my God.
triple legend.
She is
Oh my god, there is a 2 chits I got. Aditi, which one you have to take into?
It's your turn.
Now. Not now. In your turn.
Keep it in here. Keep it in here.
Oh. Gorilla.
I got 4 points.
Now.
I got on
Ouch.
Here is you. I cannot understand this.
Okay. One more time.
What is this?
No, we don't have to say. Take one more. She's don't let us. She's in the first stand.
Next one.
This is 2 chits. One get new. No new. Take.
Let's go. 5 points. I'm in the lead.
No. See here.
I.
Oh.
Someone upset.
Yes.
6 points. No, you don't.
Oh yeah.
But 2 minutes.
Oh, I
2
know.
minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I see not. He is doing action. I see not.
So I am also doing.
But I don't.
We
see.
can do action.
But I don't see
Now.
he is doing. That's
No,
why you
it's okay.
know. Cry.
Cry.
I got 5 points.
It was
We
cry.
also got to 1 more point. Then she's fighting. Okay, this is a finish.
This is that chicken. This is that chicken. So
You don't understand?
yes. So I can take another.
No.
No.
No, you can't. You can pass on me.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
You can pass on there. It's okay. Clap. Yeah, I am. She lose. No, I have got 7 points. No, I got 6 points. Aditi, you got 5 points. So
You lose.
punishment.
What?
What's the punishment?
And think.
What do you guys say? What should we give the punishment? Yeah, we got the punishment. Wait. Comment down below. Comment down below. What should we?
Comment down below.
Okay.
What should you do?
What should we do with her?
Yes.
What is the punishment?
I'm playing with my magic mark.
She is a play girl. Man, she is rude. Guys, she has to dance in Chikalala. Done.
Come here. Come here.
Yes.
Oh my god. Sorry guys, our camera is. Sorry guys.
Okay.
So your punishment is you have to
Dance on hula la la hoo hoo.
in Adivasi dance. In here. Stop. Okay guys, did you like us video? So comment down below.
Comment. One comment is very.
So not one. So many comments to our channel, and make sure we have to make one another video for you. So now that is it. Bye. Bye guys. Till then. Blah 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 blah.